saw you in the stall, but who are you? Oh, I like the way you twist that tail.
I care about you.
Here comes the 3 winches. We're gonna go tell Belle. Oh, there you go. Tell them. Off my butt. Oh, be careful. There's a berm here. How do we get across this?
He says, I will stay out of this, thank you.
He's trying to get with Belle. Belle says, don't follow me, they follow you. Oh, he's stuck.
You just outsmarted him, good job. Go away, we don't want you.
The 3 amigas.
The 3 caballeros.
Bless his heart, he goes, how do you get through this mud?
I'm going to stay over here.
The big bay that's wandering, she's one of ours. She's a sweetie.